this guide on biosafety in the workplace, let's explore how to protect yourself, your colleague, and the environment from biological hazard. Biosafety is all about practices and procedures designed to protect workers, animals, and the environment from harmful biological materials like bacteria, virus, fungi, and toxins. Why does biosafety matter? Exposure to infectious agents can lead to serious injuries. Proper precautions prevent accidents and ensure a safe workplace. Physically, biosafety risks include injuries from handling sharp objects or exposure to infectious agents like tuberculosis or hepatitis. Repeated exposure to biological agents may lead to chronic conditions, and high-risk environment can cause stress and burnout. Wear appropriate PPE like gloves, masks, goggles, and a coat to minimize exposure to harmful materials. Install safety equipment like biological safety cameras or proper ventilation system to replace hazard. Regular training ensure everyone knows how to handle biological materials safely and respond to emergency. Design your workplace with safety in mind. Clear airflows, signage, and design hazard so you can know and make difference. Strictly waste management protocol like autoclaving and incineration prevent contamination and spread of infection. To summarize, biosafety protects everyone in workplace handling biological materials. By using PPE, injury control, trainings, and proper waste management, you can ensure safety and efficiency.
Created using Powtoon.